The $906,000 opportunity cost. Here's a scenario that's the situation in a summer and you are considering taking summer school. Sound like a good idea, right? Get ahead, finish classes earlier, maybe even boost your GPA, but there's a hidden cost. If you go to the summer school and you can't work your usual summer job that's pay you well, and you will not be living at home for free anymore. This means you are not just paying tuition, you are also giving up money you could have on and comfort you could have enjoyed. Let's track it down step by step. So, if you skip your summer job, that's $6,000 gone. The tuition fee is $2,000 gone, and textbook is $200, and living expense you would not pay at home is $1,400. Most of students think summer school only costs tuition fee, but the truth is bigger, and it's all out $6,000. $2,000, $200, $1,400. When we calculate all, that's the opportunity cost of your choice. Not just what you pay, but what you give up. So here's a real question: would you still choose the summer school or stick with the job? Drop your comment and don't forget to follow my more money. That's smart lesson. And here the answer is that the $9,600 we